This video will demonstrate a complete disassemble and reassemble of the Twister T6 trimmer. You won't need any tools for this process. Always start with disconnecting the power before removing any parts. Pull back on the lid latches and remove the lid. Remove the hopper. Carefully lift out the tumbler. Remove the chute. Pull off the belt cover. Loosen the control box cam. Push in on the control box to slacken and remove the belt. Push in and slide out the control box. Loosen the bed knife cams and carefully lift out the bed knife. Then lift out the reel blade. Take caution here, the knife and blades are very sharp. That's all there is to it. While disassembled, you have access to all components for cleaning or replacement if required. So now let's put it back together. Start with the reel blade. Make sure these pivot pins are latched under these hooks. And check that the whole mechanism feels secure. Now the bed knife. Place the bed knife cams into position. Note, it is very important to make sure the metal lobes on both sides have the smaller end facing down. Here we're showing an example of the wrong way. This will not work correctly. If this happens, make sure you back the blade out and realign the lobe with the smaller end facing down. Perfect. Tighten the bed knife cams. Latch in the control box and slide it into position. Push up on the control box to reinstall the belt. Return the control box back down and tighten the cam lock. Click the belt cover back on. When installing the chute, line up these 3 tabs to these 3 receptacles. Once locked in place, you can put the tumbler back into position. Take a second to make sure the grooves on the tumbler are lined up and locked in with the gear on the T6. They should feel snug and turn together. When installing the hopper, line up all 3 tabs. Now we can reinstall the lid. Make sure these tabs are properly set in place. Move the latches back, then press down to lock in the lid. That's it. Your Twister T6 trimmer is ready to go.